Here's how to present information in a horizontal list. Draw a new Figma frame or use an existing one. This will be your main screen. Set the background color and add some images. Draw another frame inside the first frame. This will be your list view field where some items will be displayed as a scrollable list. It's important to ensure that your list view frame fits entirely within your original frame. Otherwise, the plugin won't recognize it as a list view field. Next, from the Figma Prototype tab, in the Overflow Scrolling section, choose Horizontal Scrolling. Create a few items. For this tutorial, I used random ellipses with text and a variety of background colors. Once you've done that, it's time to create the components of your items and set the list name. Now, from the top bar, select Plugins, Figma2Flutter. But note that in this video, the path is Plugins Development Figma2Flutter because I'm recording with a beta version of Plugins. When you create a real project, you'll use the shorter path, or you can use the keyboard shortcut as well. Select your newly created component, and from the plugin menu, press the Combine Selected Components as States button. Next, select List or Grid Item from the drop-down menu. Put your list items inside the list view field. Make sure it is exactly within the list view field so the plugin can read it as a scrollable list. Make sure that your list view frame is annotated as List View in the plugin menu. Now, from the plugin menu, press the blue Export as Flutter Project button. Your web browser should automatically open with the Figma tab. When it does, press the Allow Access button to let the plugin generate code. Download the generated code. Open a downloaded project named Archive in your Flutter environment. For this tutorial, I'm using Visual Studio Code. In the Flutter console, run the flutter pub-get command to download all of the dependencies required to run the project. But note that you only need to use this command once when running your project for the first time. If you're editing an existing project, just run the Flutter packages upgrade command. Wait until the dependencies are updated. Once they are, run the Flutter run command to start your project. Your project should appear. The open code should look exactly as your Figma design. Try to scroll items horizontally and see how it looks.